Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be announcing an amazing video generation tool which is called Gen 3 Alpha by Runway. So as you all know that all the companies and have been announcing the tools, the video generation tools, whether it's text to video or image to video, they have been announcing it and I'll be showing you the ones which have announced them starting with the Sora AI by OpenAI. So how it was started with when OpenAI made Sora, which was creating video from text. And here you can see they created the videos that were realistic. Actually, before Sora, the videos that were created from the text, they weren't that realistic or that you wouldn't believe that it was real used to tell, like even from the video you can tell it was fake, like how in 2023 there was a Will Smith eating spaghetti video. That video, when you saw that, it looked so fake. So you can tell that AI has made this, it's not real at all. But now if you see the videos here you see that the Sora has made these videos, they're so real and realistic. Next was Video, which was the text to video AI. And these were the examples, like how it was made and all this stuff you can see. And you can go have a look at the website also when you go there. After that, it was View, which was the capable generative video model. Like Google DeepMind announced. Google DeepMind announced View. So here you can see the videos and all this stuff of View. After that, it was Kling AI, which was made by a Chinese company, and they had the similar technical root as Sora. So here you can see there were the demos created by Kling. Here you can see the demos, which was created by Kling AI. After that, it was Luma AI, which I told about yesterday, Luma Dream Machine. Here you can see the videos, which are like realistic, ultra realistic. And about Luma AI was that you can try now, but it has a limitation of 10 generations per day. It has this, and it will take some time. So these were the video generation tools. Now, Runway, just 20 hours ago, it has announced Gen 3 Alpha. Now let's have a look at it and let's see whether it's better than Sora or not, or it has the same level as Sora. So let's have a look at it. Gen 3 Alpha is the first of the upcoming series of models, which is trained by Runway. And it's trained by Runway on a new infrastructure, which is built for large scale multimodal training. So it is trained by Runway on a new infrastructure. And it has a major improvement in consistency and motion over Gen 2, means it is better than Gen 2 in terms of consistency and motion. And also, it is a step towards building the journal world models. So, here you can see that it also says that all of the videos that are on this page were generated with Gen 3 Alpha and no modifications. So, here you can see about this. The prompt is FPV flying through a colorful coral lined streets of an underwater suburban neighborhood. Wow, this looks so good. I mean, underwater and it's a neighborhood, and you can see here, it looks so nice. Now, if I click on this video, so here you can see there are fishes moving, not moving, they're swimming. Yeah, but one thing about is that after some time you can see the fishes are disappearing, means like they're disappearing. Af- So here you can see. Now the next one. Yep, this one. It's a handheld tracking shot at night following a dirty blue balloon floating above the ground in abandoned old European street. So here this was the prompt, and here you can see there's a balloon, blue balloon, and it's floating above the ground in the abandon of old European street. I mean, if you look at the streets and especially the houses, if you see, they look so run down and they're not that good. You can see, so it looks abandoned. Now here this has the reflections of a woman on the window of a train moving at hyper speed in a Japanese city. So here they say that the city is Japanese and the train is moving at hyper speed and the woman is sitting like inside the train and she is near the window. So you can see the different reflections of her. Means, for example, if the train is going through the tunnel or when it goes to a more lighter area, so here you can see the reflections are changing. So how you can see how the reflections are changing. This is good. Okay, this one is the astronaut which is running through an alley. Okay, it looks more like he's floating. So he's running through an alley in Rio de Janeiro, means that he's in Brazil. So, and if you look at the walls, don't you think these walls are kind of moving a little bit? Like, especially that yellow one. If you look at it, it looks like it's kind of moving a little bit. Like kind of weirdness it is in the video. And here it says it is trained jointly on videos and images. Gen 3 Alpha will power Runway's text to video, image to video, and text to image tools. Means they say that Gen 3 Alpha will power up the text to video, image to video, and text to image tools. And also existing the control modes such as motion brush, advanced camera controls, director mode. So here it says one more point. It says that Gen 3 Alpha will be released. So it's not yet here. It will be released. So it's not just here. It will be released. So you can use it now. So you can just have a look at the demo video. So they're saying that they will have the new and improved in-house visual moderation system and also the provenance standards. Here, if you look at this one, yep, it looks more like a Doctor Strange video. So if you look the close-up shot of a living flame. Next is the balloon one. It has the same tracking shot of the handheld tracking shot, but now the balloon is red and it's floating above the ground. But this one is like different. If you look here, yep, this one is different. I mean, you can see the lights, it's in the sunlight and it's a day. And this one is also a tunnel into vibrant underwater space. Okay, this is an underwater space. Here you can have a look at. This looks good as if you came into the underwater world, like underwater. But don't you think the plants look more animated instead of the realistic thing? They look like there are neon lights with it, or there's some neon lights in it, and it looks kind of animated. Okay, now this one is an empty warehouse, which is transformed by Flora. Wow. Okay, so it became more Flora before it was abandoned. Okay, this one was the electrical lights. Now, if I go down here, this one is ultra fast. Yep, it was this one. Yep, this one, the ultra fast. It is going through the tunnel, and you can see here there are plants. It looks like kind of like snake is moving. It looks like that, as if it's a snake eye. But when it is going through the tunnel, then it does not look like a snake. I mean, because it's going like in the ground. So here it looks like that. After that, this one looks like a painting in the museum. Okay. This one is the zooming in of the dandelion. Nice. Now, this one is the FPV and it's the internal cap of a train moving at high speed, like hyper speed in an old European city. Now, if I click on this video, so this video, yep, it is moving at speed and the train controls are, which I don't know anything about it because I'm not the driver of the train. So here they have the fine-grained temporal control, means they're trained with highly descriptive, temporally dense captions, which enable the imaginative transitions and precise keyframing. Now, this one, if you look at the ants here, and you can see like they're moving, and then after that, the shot is the zoom out of it, in which as if the camera is in the sky, and here you can see the photorealistic humans because Gen 3 Alpha also excels at generating expressive human characters with the wide range of actions, gestures, emotions, which can unlock the new storytelling opportunities. Now here you can see like Gen 3, they are also capable of generating the expressive human characters which has the emotions, whether it's the gestures, emotions, actions, so that even you can have a digital human tell a story. Here you can see like the person, he looks like he's sad or about to cry, or maybe he's like, kind of stressed. Okay. Now here for artist by artist. Now here they said that training Gen 3 Alpha, it was the collaborative effort from the team of research scientists, engineers and artists. Means the team members included the research scientists, artists and engineers also to have the style and the terminology also. This is of a giant, strange creature which is walking in rundown city at night. Now, this person, or not this person, this character or this creature looks like Godzilla, but it looks like a mini gorilla. Now, here there are some more videos, like the demo videos, which is first is this. It looks like a shot through a corridor with flashing lights, and there's a silver fabric. Yep, the silver fabric is like flies through the entire corridor. Okay. Now this one is the Japanese animated film in which you can see a young woman. You can see she looks like a sailor woman, which is standing on a ship and looking back at the camera. And here you can see there's a close-up shot of a young woman driving a car, looking thoughtful, and you can see there's a blurred forest. Means she is going or driving in the car, she's going in the forest, and you can see by the weather or by the looks of the window, you can see it is rainy. Here you can have a look at it. So it looks like it's rainy. Now if there's one more, there are more. Okay, this is the aerial shot of a drone moving fast in a dense green jungle. Okay, so this is a drone shot of in the green jungle. Now all I have told about. Yep, this one also. This one looks so cool. It's like a push through. Oh my god, this looks so good. Like, okay, this is Ocean Research Outpost. It looks so realistic. It looks like as if you're standing above the ocean. I mean, there's the ocean, but little part of it looks unrealistic. But it looks like the ocean is moving and you're standing here. I mean, you're so close to the ocean. And this one, it looks like woman is singing and standing in a concert stage. So here you can see she's singing and the audience is the other side, not to the camera side, or maybe here, but at the back of her is the lights. Okay, this one. Now if you look here, yep, this one. It's the aerial shot of the ocean, and here you can see the water is swirling around, and you can see the depth of it. It looks like it has fire and lava. It has this, so it looks so realistic. And here you can see more of the demo videos. You can also request the information, like for the companies who are interested in fine-tuning and custom models, you can reach out to them using the form in the button below. Okay, here there are some more videos like the flowers, and so that is all for my side. Thank you so much.